Alright YouTube, time has come. You guys wanted me to open up the little BlitzWolf battery pack. So the little back door just literally clicks in there. May have to put a little bit of glue to put this back on. That's what we can see. I can see some pink coloured 18650s. Then the whole cartridge pulls out, like so. So it's TP Li-on 3.7 volt, 2600 milliamp, ICR 18650. And 6 off. Thermistor, somewhere maybe in the middle of the pack here. The thermal compound around that chipset. That's her. So that's what's inside the BlitzWolf 15,600 milliamp hour battery pack. So I'm pretty happy now that I've opened it to see what was actually inside. In the future, if I can get my hand on some Panasonic, I think they're the green and black Panasonics that are like 3,500 milliamp hour, we'll chuck some of them in there. No point putting 3,000s in. Like I mean 400 milliamps per cell. Give us another 2.5 amps. But if I can get some 3.5 amp hour cells, it'll give me nearly an amp per cell. It's another 6 amps. So I'll be right up in the over 2,000 milliamp hour, over 20,000 milliamp hour, 20 amp hours of 18650. Goodness, as you can see, quite a simple holder. Just slides in and out this nice piece of extruded aluminium. Zoom in close on the board. Let me just get focus, guys. Yeah. So that's her. 618 650s. Control board. Supposedly 2600 milliamp hours. It's still really heavy, so that's a real big positive, I guess. And yeah, that's simple. That's a good one. Pretty happy with the quality. You compare the quality of that to most of the off-the-shelf power banks that you buy. This is actually quite good. Alright, I'll chuck on the end of this video the charge and discharge test I did on this beast, and you'll see the results of that there. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the next little clip. Alright YouTube. BlitzWolf power bank. It's officially flat, flashy lights on instead. I'm going to try and charge it with the AC charger first, so we can work out how many watt hours it's got. The number down here is the one that's reset. I'll plug it in. Alright, so that's plugged in. 5.5 volts, that's 1.9 amps. So what we'll do, we'll let this charge right through, then we'll run off 5.5 volts and however many milliamp hours it is to give us an indication of the amp hours. We'll give it a few hours and we'll come back. Alright then, guys, just charged completely, no lights flashing or anything anymore. It's 16,000 milliamp hours. So it works out to be about 80 watts. It's only rated at 60 watt hours. So yeah, 20 watts in losses in the charging, I suppose. It seems pretty reasonable. Obviously it's a bit difficult because the meter doesn't read watt hours, it measures milliamp hours, but from dead flat to a full charge it took 16,000 milliamp hours. Rated at 5600, so pretty happy with that. Alright, I'll do some more tests and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.